Hi, this is Vinay. Today we will try to understand protected class. What is protected class? Benefit, use of protected class. So let me clear in starting that we cannot declare any class explicitly protected. So to implement protected class, we need to declare the class variable protected. If you want to protect the method area from other class, you declare protect. Then this protect class can be accessed in a derived class in a class itself. So now protected member is like variable, property and methods are accessible under the same class and its derived class. We cannot declare any class explicitly protected. Let's understand the example so that it will be clear for us. So I have defined one class parent, and this parent class has got one float variable which is private, one method called area, return type float, and protected we have defined because we need to implement the protected class. Under that some calculation is there and it is returning. Now methods and members are accessible under the same class. So here we can call inside the class parent. There is one method client. Under that we can call the same area method plus area member. Now it's a derived class. Suppose you want any protected members to be accessed in some other class, then it should be derived class. So what we will do, public class child is a derived class because it gets inheritance with child. So here we need to go for inheritance where child class inherits parent class. Under that some method is there. Under method here we need to create the instance of child and we can access the area which is protected. Here we cannot create the instance of parent. It will not work. So we need to create the child in instance, and with this instance we can access the area method. Now let's talk about benefit. Reuse of code, meaning any class can inherit and use the member of protected class. I will not give here protected I will give meaning. Any class can inherit and use the member of protected members. Use and use protected members. So let's have an example. There is a class child 2 and under child 2 class there is a uh, the same business logic we have written, and we are able to access the area method. Here we have implemented the inheritance and made the child 2 class derived class, and under that we have created the instance of child 2 and we are able to access the area. So the same source code we copied here, meaning once we have implemented this business logic and this business logic so many times, we are able to reuse by just creating the derived class. So this is derived class and this is also derived class. Now as it is protected, so it minimizes the security risk. We'll take some class. So I have defined public class some class. Under that class, if you try to access, for example, it's some class parent. So if you try to access the parent class, as some class is not derived class of parent class, so here we cannot access the area method. So here we are protecting the area method from other class, so we can say it is protected, so it minimizes the security risk. Now use of protected class. So here I can say protected class is not there, but just I have written because we are trying that class member to be protected to stop access from other class. So use a protected class. Give member access to its child class. So here direct a, direct any class cannot use the member of uh, any class where member is defined protected. If some class want to use the member of class which is already protected, that class should be defined derived class of parent class. So that this is the use of protected class or protected member. Note, we cannot define protected class outer level. If you try to define, then it will give below error. Elements defined in a namespace cannot be explicitly declared as a private, protected, or protected internal. Second, we cannot access the member or method of any class where it is defined to be protected if try will give below error. Method or member is inaccessible due to its protection level. That's all. So if you understand this explanation, then please share it to your friends and please subscribe this channel. Thank you.